guys! Good morning! Another day, another vlog. It is Saturday. Meron kaming brunch ni Satch sa Gevora Kitchen. Guys, di ba pag brunch, ibig sabihin breakfast, lunch. So mga around 10, 11, ganyan. Dito guys sa Dubai, at least as far as I know, yung brunch, technically lunch siya. Mga 1 PM siya nagsa-start. So bumili siya sa grupo ng brunch something. Gevora is actually the highest hotel in the world. Hindi ko alam kung updated yun ha. And we'll go for brunch there. By the way, shout out pala sa akin kumare, si Julia. Thanks Mare sa akin. Ayan, pakwintas. Meron pang isang ganyan. Color purple naman ata. So I think nag-blend well naman siya sa ating OOTD for today nung walang nagtanong. Ayan. O diba? Bongga. So thank you Mare! And then si Cici at saka si Cathy, meron silang work today. So, minsan may mga Saturday na kailangan silang tapusin o offset naman yan into another day. At saka meron silang libreng car, pick up, at saka drop off. Pero yun ang pagkain. So, I think okay na din naman yun. Hindi na rin masama. Diba? So, ayun si Sachi.
Hi there.
Hi, Sach. Where are we going?
We're going to the Talis Hotel.
Panggap muna tayo guys. Caesar's salad.
At the end, always a congratulations, but nowhere when I needed you. Call you a penny in the freezer, cause you're two-faced and stone cold.
Hi guys, finish na tayo. Antay lang tayo nung sa valet parking. Init dun guys. Siguro may sira yung aircon as in sobrang init niya. May na mga nagre-reklamo din actually ng mga guests. Book pala kami sa grupo nito for 160. For the price, okay naman. Nothing spectacular. Akala lang namin, or akala ko doon sa taas kasi. Kasi nga, ito yung highest hotel, diba, in the world. So, okay naman. Tamang mabusog. Siguro next time, we'll try to go doon sa 73rd floor. Kasi meron doon yung parang view na, overlooking na view. Parang 100 yung entrance and then consumable na siya. So,
at the roundabout, take the first exit on Algorsa Street.
So, change of plan. Hindi muna kami uuwi. Marina Mall daw muna kami. Magkakape. Kape. Eh, gusto niya kung magkakape kami mall para hindi mainitan si Nikki kasi ang init nga, diba? So, ayun na lang yung medyo mall dito sa side namin. Otherwise, MOA, which is galing na kami kahapon. And parang ayoko naman doon. So, ayun, Marina Mall na lang. We are here sa Dubai Marina Mall. O, diba? Hindi masyadong maraming tao dito sa P7. Andito kami. Ayan. Walang tao. Tapos, malapit pa kami. O, diba? And then, guys, mayroon ako nakita. Si Linel sa TikTok. Pinafollow ko yun. Ganda ng shoes. Gusto ko talaga yan eh. Yung On Loewe na collaboration na rubber shoes. Hindi ako rubber shoes person, pero parang need ko kasi ng comfy na rubber shoes for December. Bakit? Basta. Nakain ko na naman yung lipstick ko. But dito na tayo sa Marina Mall. Okay dito kasi hindi ganun kadaming tao. Diba? Nag-mall si ate girl. Ayaw niya makakita ng tao. So, nandito tayo sa Tasha's. Dito tayo magka-coffee while watching yung laro ng Train Line with Farm Fresh. Or set 1, talo sila. Kaloka. Tambay muna tayo dito. Mabait ng mga kabayan dito. Shoutout sa mga taga-Tasha's. Punta tayo dito sa Virgin. May bibilin tayong gift. Tingin tayo ng mga vinyl. So, ito na lang bilhin namin. Ayan, yung ganyan. Set. Ayan na lang. Meron sila nito. Ito, meron ako nito. Amoy natin yung iba kung anong mabango. Uwian na tayo, guys. And papunta na tayong parking. Madami palang nag-comment sa Instagram nung kwentas ko. Again, thank you sa kumari ko, si Julia. Siya nagbigay sa akin. Actually, sinend pa niya yung link, yung mga meaning nito. Kasi dalawa yung binigay niya nito. Isang pink, saka isang purple ata. And thank you so much for appreciating. Madalang na ako mag-accessories. Madalang na ako magsuot ng accessories. Kasi usually, kung ano na lang yung suot ko, yun na yun. Like yung kwintas ko, ayun na yun. At naka-t-shirt tayo para hindi plain. Nagpintas tayo ng bato ni Darna! Darna! O, diba? Walang friends masyado si Nikki. Siya lang mag-isa dyan. Ay, dalawa sila. O, diba? Ang ganda ng ng araw, diba? So, dito tayo sa Discovery. West Zone lang tayo saglit kasi wala na tayong mga ulam. So, ayun si Satch. Let's go! Ito. Sipag-sipag. Double cheeseburger, please. We are now home. Ayusin ko lang yung mga binili namin sa palengke kagabi. Palengke supermarket. Mga binili ko lang yung Nissan ramen, creamy seafood. Masarap yan. Kasi minsan, pag sobrang busy namin ni Satch, ito na lang yung niluluto namin. Ayan. Kasi masarap siya. Or, ito. Yan, lalagyan na lang ng water. Diba? So, kung sa office nyo, maglagay ka nito sa cabinet nyo or drawer nyo or something. Masarap to. Then, some frozen items. And bumili lang ng lumpia. Lagyan natin sa freezer. And then some pork chop, may giniling, at saka sa more pork items. Pang ulam-ulam. Or pang halo-halo. Tapos meron pa tayong munggo. So, iinitin ko na lang yung munggo. And then, ang partner na lang niya is pork. Yung bacon cut na pork, i-marinate ko na lang. So, ayan. Few pieces lang. It's already 8:23, wala pa sila sisi. And ininit ko lang yung munggo, tapos nagprito lang ako ng pork, yung bacon slice sa West Zone. So, ayan ang aming dinner for today. Nagpalit na rin tayo, guys, para makagalaw-galaw ng bongga. And I'm editing the vlog kasi nga hindi ako nag-edit the entire day. Wala akong upload for the past 3 days na ata. So, kasi nag-date daw ako. Kaya MJ, sorry na, walang upload. Nag-date ang ante. Bukas na lang. Ano, may isang madaya, babe. Ganito siya kaliit.
Okay, copy na lang yun. Maliit lang siya. Ay, free.
Hindi yan free. Oo. Hi guys! It's 12 midnight. Birthday ni Jake. Yung kapatid ni Ivy. So, magsasalubong tayo. Tara, akit tayo sa kanila. Nasa amin yung cake. Dito pinadeliver ni Ivy. Iniwan daw ni Ivy yung candle sa labas. Kaya tayo. Mga 3 weeks pa daw yan yung ginagawa dito sa amin. Kaya laging basa. Kasalubong committee. Eh si Jake may birthday. Ikaw ba? Asan yung kapatid? Wait lang. Ay, nandito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Si ano yun nasa binti mo? Si
Volleyball player. Volleyball player.
yung nag-OT tas may ganyan. Oh. Hi guys! Another day, another vlog. It is Sunday and it's already 10:20. Kailangan na namin umalis kasi we are attending a birthday celebration for our friend. There's 2 parts dun sa birthday. Merong parang outreach and due to the sensitivity of the matter, hindi ako pwede mag-vlog, which I totally understand. And very excited ako dun kasi very close to our hearts yun. But anyways, second part is lunch somewhere at in Business Bay, ganyan. So, baka doon makapag-vlog ako ng small snippets. But that's the agenda for today. I'm not sure kung makakadaan ako later sa hospital kasi yung inaano ko si Lucas nasa hospital. Parang discharge na rin sila today eh. Pero, we'll see. Tingnan natin kung makadaan tayo. But, that's the agenda for today. I'll see you later! already 12:57 and papunta na kami dun sa lunch for the birthday. So, yung pinanggalingan namin na activity with the kids and hindi lang kids. Nakaka-move siya. Very close to our hearts. Nag-i-invite sila ng mga corporates tsaka ng mga individual to visit them kasi they're a non-profit organization. Yung kaninang mga nakasama namin from ages, I think from 5 until 50 plus. May mga ganong age, guys. May mga naka-wheelchair na, ganyan. And then, puro mga lalaki sila kanina. Grabe din yung mga energy nila, nakakaloka. It's a 1 hour of activities. May mga nag-supervise. Kung gusto nyo mag-volunteer, either individual or group of friends or as a corporate, they're very much open. Pwede kayong mag-sponsor ng mga wishlists nila talking about food or mga gamit sa sender. Hindi lang nakasama si Sisi kasi baka dumaiyak siya. Sobrang humbling ng experience. Kaya sana makabalik kami soon with the friends or with other people to volunteer our time and to play with it. So right now, pupunta tayo sa may Paramount Midtown, sa may Business Bay, para tayo ay mag-lunch.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And my chance if you feel just a bit.
Hi guys, this is it's a vlog takeover, and today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to eat. This is just in the menu and it's the easiest one to make. So, excuse me, what is this? Okay.
Fish.
Thank you very much. It's red snapper fish.
Red snapper.
Fun fact about the red snapper. The red snapper is a fish, but sometimes not red, with blue. Guys, it's coming all the way from the 7,107 Festival and Majestic Isles of the Philippines, where the mountain touches the sky and the shoreline glimmers under the sun, the province of Sarangani, municipality of Glan, where we celebrate Lubi Lubi Festival. Standing in front of you is a 31-year-old stunner, charot.
Camera. Unsa? What's batiay?
Way lami, bati.
Way lami. GoPro.
Uy, paminaw, giad na kita ha.
Ang puti-putiin yan, pero nagbisaya.
Sa mga kahama ka na kay Bawanin.
Vince! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, gusto ko yung cake. Yay!
Ay, wow.
Wow, ang dami. Gusto natin yung madaming cake.
Very good. Okay. Pero din ka gusto.
Kasi lalagyan siya ng chocolate.
Presentation. Ay, wow.
Nice.
I love it. Church. Tapos, kasi kailangan kong magising sa katotohanan na hindi na niya ako.
After.
Tapos mag-English.
Ay. Gamay lang.
For and on behalf of the community that we have made today, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude from me to you. And for more birthdays to come, may you continue to shine like sunshine. Good morning, sunshine.
Cheers. Bisaya. Cheers.
As in, promise talaga, dapat pinakilala.
1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Good job, Vince. Oh, the other one. Good job. We are now home. It's already 3:57, 3:58 na. And we'll just chill for the rest of the day. Kasi tomorrow may pasok na naman. Hi guys, another day, another vlog. It is Monday. So, yesterday yung nagawa namin was to volunteer kasi yung friend namin si Angela, birthday niya, and she wanted to spend her birthday with those awesome people. Talagang sobrang happy kami na naging part kami nung ganong klaseng volunteeran cause. Kasi as you know, it's very, 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 very close to our hearts. Kaya talaga naman nung sinabi niya na ganon yung gusto niyang birthday celebration na mangyari, go, go, go talaga tayo. Hindi ko nabanggit at hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa pinuntahan namin for the volunteer. Kasi nung una, yung binibigay nila sa amin yung guidelines. Ang sabi, no video, no photos, ganyan. So, yung camera ko at saka yung cellphone ko, iniwan ko lang talaga dun sa labas, dun sa bag ko. And then, after nung program, nag-send sila ng mga pictures na pwede daw namin i-upload yun for awareness. Tapos, tinanong ko, sabi ko, pwedeng i-post? Hindi ko kailangan i-blur yung mga tao, yung mga bata, ganyan. Sabi niya, oo, pwede daw. Pwede ko i-mention yung center sa vlog ko. Tapos sabi niya, oo, pwede daw. So, they really wanted to create awareness for people out there kasi the idea is, since they are non-profit organization, they wanted to encourage people to volunteer their time to be with those awesome people or donation. So, meron silang mga wish list like yung juices na pwede lang din sa kanila or nire-recommend nila kasi may mga partner merchants naman. So, we were told na 30% of population ng mga taong nandun, ng mga tinitake care nila is Saudi national. So, ayun guys, if you want to volunteer, like if you have group of friends or sa company nyo, part kayo ng social committee, try nyo na i-pitch yung option of, you know, team building or corporate social responsibility events nyo with your company. Yung mga ganong foundation. It is 1 hour, guys, with, you know, playing with the kids, may mga activities, ganyan, pero sobrang na-enjoy at napagod kami all together, but very, very happy experience and humbling experience talaga siya. So, ayan lang. Yun lang yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo from yesterday. I can give yung contact number ni Farhan. Message nyo ako just in case interesado kayo or gusto nyo din ng mga ganun.